Okay, so this is what I've been doing over this pandemic, is working on this little truck of mine, getting her put together. Needed a truck, so I thought, well, we'll just do up a nice old 28 Model A Ford pickup truck. So that's what I decided to do. So we've been building all new wood. Body's nice and straight. This is not a restoration for show or anything. It's just a presentable little truck. It's just starting to put the doors in. Like I say, new wood in it. Got all the glass, upholstery, everything, top. Now we'll have a look at the engine compartment. I'm going to try and start it up today. See how she runs. I still got quite a bit of work to do on her, but she's coming along. Let's put that down. Got here. There's a window frame. Getting ready to put glass in it. Just doing a primer on it. Got some work to do on this fender here. Nice little truck. Scored these nice 28, 29, well actually 28 drum tail lights on it. Put them on both sides for safety, even though that wasn't original. And there's my 1930, all original, never been apart, never been restored, runs like a top. We've got to put a new radiator in it, so we've got that partially out. And then here we've got a 29 chassis with a 30 engine. And I'm gonna make myself up a speedster, I think it is, if I get the time.
Okay.
All right, something's wrong.